I'd like to welcome everyone once again to Emmanuel Lutheran Church. I'd like to welcome everybody joining us on Facebook. If you're ever in or near Rolla, please come in and join us for worship. A couple of announcements. Sunday school begins at 10:15 a.m. in the Lutheran Student Center. Bible study downstairs in the fellowship hall. And we're just beginning the book of Psalms this morning. Tuesday, Lutheran Student Fellowship Bible Study, 7 o'clock over in the Lutheran Student Center, and we're currently studying the book of John. Thursday Bible Study is at noon in the Fellowship Hall, and we're studying the book of Deuteronomy. Confirmation classes every Wednesday, Lutheran Student Center from 4 to 5. You have your Lenten service schedule. We've got midweek Lenten services this Wednesday. It's midweek Lent 3 at noon and 6. And then you've got the Monday, Thursday with Lord's Supper, April 6th, Good Friday, April 7th, noon and 6. Easter Sundays, April 9th, and that's with breakfast and Easter egg hunt after church. We will celebrate Easter breakfast in the Lutheran Student Center Gymnasium at 10:30. And anyone who wants to donate candy for the Easter egg hunt, please bring the candy to the church office. If you could do it the next week, it'd be great, because I'm going to have my confirmation kids fill the eggs for the little ones. So we've only got 2 more classes, this Wednesday and the Wednesday after. So I'll have them get the eggs ready for the little ones. I think that's it. Does anybody else have any